At 70 years old, I jumped into freezing Alaskan waters. I climbed over no less than 799 fallen trees and under some as well, and had a humpback whale stare me down from 100 feet away. This is what happens when you say yes to uncruise adventures. Our guide was talking about shooters, the ice that just shoots up. And just like that.
Wow, look at this.
Jeez Louise! Holy cow! Hold on, people.
Stay seated for me.
So you can imagine the wave action coming at our skiff. It was breathtaking. I don't think I took a breath for 30 seconds. Or they're like, they were green and they were pink. Now, are you guaranteed to see the northern lights? Absolutely not, because, there's no remote control, sadly, for Mother Nature. When the moment strikes, take it. I had no idea what bushwacking was, so that was a couple of hours of hard work, but I loved every moment. I'm wet from the top to the bottom, but guess what? Best day ever! I would love to hear what the most adventurous thing is that you have done. And do you think you're capable of more? Share in the comments below. I want to hear your story. Then it was kayaking with a guide. We went back into a little bay and there was no sound except the water kind of like lapping on the edge of your kayak. Waterfalls, trees. We saw a bear walking by the shore, some seals, I believe. This amazing humpback just come up. I was in the back of the boat. Come up right in front of me, and he just sat there looking at our skiff, totally quiet. That guy hung there for 10, 12 seconds, then gently opened his mouth, still looked at us, and then down that whale went, and he was gone. At that point, I thought, okay, this trip cannot be any better. Well, who would think it could get any better? Want to check out the engine room or discover back door in the galley? We had the galley tour and the tour of the engine room. And this trip isn't even over yet. Uncruise is the adventure that you want to make it. The next opportunity was Polar Plunge, which yours truly did take advantage of. We're all having breakfast, and lo and behold, right outside of the dining room window, Orca. And I gotta let you in on one more secret. Up here, Mother Nature does not disappoint when it comes to sunrise, sunset, or moonrise. Around every bend and behind every cloud is an absolute opportunity on this small ship to say hello to Mother Nature and just let her hug you as you pass by this beautiful place where Mother Nature breathes life into everything. This is what happens when you say yes to uncruise adventures.